Staff Nurse Florcita.
Good morning, nurse.
Now it's time for your test. I'll be escorting you to Prodia department. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
But first, can I see your identity bracelet, please?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay, Miss. Would you like to go to the Prodia department? Would you like to walk or should I get a wheelchair?
I think I will. Thank you.
Great. I'll make sure you're comfortable along the way. Please let me know if you need anything.
Okay, nurse.
Okay, let's go, Miss Dita. Here we are, Mrs. Dita. Let me introduce you to Nurse Sarah, who will take care of you for your test today.
Okay, nurse. Thank you.
You're welcome, Mrs. Dita.